Hello everybody. Today we'll discuss the topic on expert system. What is expert system? The purpose of expert system is the system acquires knowledge and skills of human experts in a particular area. Then it uses that knowledge to solve similar problems without human participation. What is knowledge? Knowledge is data or information we acquire through learning or experience. Expert system technology were the predecessor of current day artificial intelligence, deep learning and machine learning system. Example, common banking example of an expert system is bank ATM. Here the expert system gets knowledge from bank teller and works accordingly. When client requests cash withdrawal, ATM performs it like bank teller. It has three main components: knowledge base, interference engine, and user interface. Knowledge base contains the knowledge necessary for understanding, formulating, and for solving problems. It is a warehouse of the domain specific knowledge captured from human experts. Interference engine. Interference engine is known as the brain of expert system as it is a main processing unit of the system. It interprets and evaluates the fact in knowledge base in order to provide an answer. User interface. With the help of user interface, the expert system interacts with user. It takes queries as an input and passes it to interference engine. After getting the response from interference engine, it displays the output to the user. Interference engine uses two strategies to derive solution. One is forward chaining, the next one is backward chaining. First we'll see forward chaining. In this strategy, an expert system answers the question, what can happen next? Example, prediction of share market status as an effect of change in interest rate. Forward chaining starts with the available data and uses interference rules to extract more data until a goal is reached. Backward chaining. It answers the question, why did this happen? Backward chaining is working backward from the goal. It starts from endpoint or goal and works backward to figure out the best way to get there. Example, Mycin expert system is a real life example of how backward chaining works. This is a system that is used in diagnosis of bacterial infections. It also recommends suitable treatment for this type of infection. Thank you. Thus, expert system is explained shortly. Please do subscribe my channel for more artificial intelligence tutorials. Thank you.